Lennon, get down here and dance.
Gym cats.
Dance hard, son.
Woo!
Dance hard. Woo! Yeah. Show us your moves. Show us your moves.
He's gonna love this someday.
Woo! Get down, son. Dance hard. Dance hard, son. Dance hard.
Back in.
I gotta take a break. I gotta vacuum.
Get down and dance.
You guys, is this for real?
Get down and dance.
Lennon, it's coming. Oh, you start up there.
Come down and dance. Woo! Yeah, I like this music.
He just never heard the real song, so I played it.
Show us your moves.
He's so tired.
I know.
Show us your muscles.
This is like Grant at my wedding.
Oh, that's right.
Do you
that's
remember?
right, yeah.
He just like would not stop dancing.
He was 2 then too, huh?
Lennon, show us your muscles. Show us your muscles.
He's vacuuming, huh?
You like knows to press the button. He's all looking at his... Changing, he's adjusting it. He's getting it dialed in, son.
Turn off the vacuum, Lennon.
Turn the vacuum
Push
off.
the button.
Lennon, you are smart.
To the Batmobile. Let's go.
Like he could do this
There it
combination.
Dance hard again. Get ready to dance. 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 Can you dance?
He's not being camera shy tonight. Oh, be careful.
What do you say?
He's like making out with it.
Can you dance? Dance. 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 Dance.
Go, Lennon. Woohoo!
Can you do gym cats? Gym cats. He does it again and again.
To the Batmobile. Let's go.
Come back here.